Hello, and welcome to today's video on using change root on Oracle Linux 8. This video aims to provide a quick introduction to change root and create an isolated environment to run Nginx. So let's get started. Change root was added to Unix as part of Unix version 7 in 1979 and added to BSD in 1982. In 2000, FreeBSD extended change root to FreeBSD jails, and in 2002, an article was written describing how to create a jail in Linux. By 2005, Solaris released Solaris containers that combined system resource controls and boundary separation provided by zones. By 2008, LXC, or Linux containers, adopted the now common container terminology and gained popularity in 2013 due to its inclusion in the Linux kernel and the emergence of Docker. This history lesson shows the evolution of containers that grew from change root. Throughout its long history, system administrators and Unix users have pronounced the change root command differently. Some call it chroot, while others say chroot. Regardless how you say change root, its job has always been to run a command or interactive shell with a different root directory. Thus, the change root environment acts as a sandbox or jail to create and host an isolated copy of the running software. The purpose of isolating the software may include software development and testing, dependency control, recovery and file system upgrades, and application separation. Although useful for the mentioned tasks, system administrators should not suggest the change root jail for security or defense against tampering or block low-level access to system devices by privileged root users. With that said, time to put Nginx in a change root jail. Start by opening a terminal and connect to your host system. In this exercise, the host system is a fully patched Oracle Linux 8 instance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. As only a privileged user can perform the change root command, switch to the root user by typing sudo -i. Next, create the directory for the change root jail and install Nginx within that directory. Type makedir -p /jail/Nginx. Then type dnf module install -y Nginx -install root equals /jail /Nginx -release ver equals /set opt equals module_platform_id equals platform::el8. The -- install root option changes the reference of the root directory for DNF. Therefore, it needs additional parameters to locate its configuration and repositories. The -- release ver equals / references back to the original host root location so the command can find the original dnf.conf. The -- set opt equals module_platform_id references to the platform defined in the host /etc/os-release file. As the Nginx module will take a little time to install, I will skip ahead. Now with the Nginx installed, create the required device files null, random, and urandom within the change root jail. Since the Nginx module installed a file /dev/null, remove it first by using rm -f /jail /nginx /dev/null. Create the devices by typing mknod /jail /nginx /dev/null c /1 3 mknod /jail /nginx /dev/random c /1 8. Then make nod /jail /nginx /dev/urandom c /1 9. Verify the device is created by running ls -al /jail /nginx /dev. With the devices created and verified, add a default homepage for Nginx. Change to the directory containing the default homepage using cd /jail /nginx /user /share /nginx index.html. Move the existing index.html page using mv space index.html space index.html.orig. Create the new index.html page by typing the commands on the screen. Next, update the firewall to allow communication with the Nginx server. Type firewall-cmd space -- permanent space -- add - service equals HTTP. Then firewall-cmd space -- reload. Lastly, configure the systemd unit to auto-start the Nginx service. Copy the nginx.service file from /jail/nginx /user/lib/systemd/system to the host location /user/lib/systemd/system. Edit the Nginx service file using the editor of choice and make the following changes. Change the type from forked to simple. The setting simple sets the running process configured by exec start equals as the primary process and runs the command, matching the change root command's expected behavior. Further explanations of this and other options are available in man-systemd.services. Add /sbin/changeroot and /jail/nginx to both the exec start pre-equals and the exec start equals lines as shown. Further add -g space daemon space off semicolon to the end of the Nginx command in the exec start equals line. Save and close the file. With the modifications in place, reload systemd using systemctl space daemon -reload. This command will load the configuration file changes made to the Nginx service into systemd. Next, start and enable the service in a single step using systemctl space enable space -- now space nginx. Verify the service is running by typing systemctl space status space nginx. From this output, the service shows as loaded and active. Now, note the main PID in the output. Use this PID to show that the service is running within the change root jail created by examining the proc file system. Type ls space -al space /proc / the main PID from the status output /root. The output shows the process running from within the change root jail directory. Test the Nginx server responds to requests by typing curl space localhost. The output displays the default index page created as part of this exercise. That completes the demonstration of isolating and running Nginx in a change root jail. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy using Oracle Linux.